Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to change Roblox account location. Let's dive right in. First, head to the official Roblox website at roblox.com/home and log into your account. Once you're in, click the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open your account settings page. Now, scroll down until you see the location section under the Account Info tab. If Roblox allows it, you may be able to change your country or region using the drop-down menu next to your location. Just select the correct country and save the changes. However, if there is no option to change your location manually, you'll need to contact Roblox support. To do this, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Help. Then select Roblox account. In the search bar, type location, and from the suggestions, choose Account Location. Scroll down again and look for the support form link. Click it to open the form. You'll now need to fill in some required information, including your username, first name, and the email address. Confirm email address associated with your Roblox account. Make sure all of these match your account details. Next, choose the device you're having the issue on. For example, select PC. Under Help category, select How To, and in the next drop-down, choose How to Change My Location. In the description box, write a short message like this. Hi, my account is showing the wrong location. I am currently located in United States. I can provide documentation if necessary to verify this. Then, click Continue to send your request. Once submitted, Roblox support will review your request. Once verified, they will manually update your account location within a few business days. And that's it. Changing your Roblox location is simple once you follow these steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.